Add a drone. Connect to drone.
Kiss a drone.
All right.
Fucking drone.
8 satellites, 99% battery, a little over 16 volts, not fully charged, but should be good enough. Yaw is -3. I don't know why that is, or -2. So
Is it because it's on an incline right now?
that could very well be. Well, I am going to try and fly, arm and fly, and actually really quick I'm going to put into loiter mode. It looks like it's in loiter mode. Fly, arm and fly, launch drone. So it's all right, so it is continuously rotating. So it's still getting negative like 3 yaw input. I'm going to put it into land flight mode, or yeah, I'm not even going to try the controller. I'm just going to land it. That's so sketch. Exactly how it's supposed to land. I'm gonna try to disarm it from the computer so I don't even have to risk
Losing
getting close to the props and cutting a finger. Wouldn't lose a finger with it spinning at those speeds, but still wouldn't be all that fun. All right, disarming did not work, so we're gonna get all up close and personal. Dun 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 dun. And as simple as that, you too can fly Develop Air and land it and easily unplug the battery and get on with your life and your next flight. Or as I would say on the floor, man, shoot, Mohit, we got some work to do. All right, well, I think that's it. That's all we need here today.
Okay.
Not so much more that we can do.